Hello, I'm Jeff Otto, CMO at Riskified, and we're looking forward to MP Berlin 2025. E-commerce approval rates have made considerable improvements, but there's still issues, and progress is being slowed by three crucial challenges costing e-commerce merchants hundreds of billions of dollars every year. On one side, we have e-commerce fraud, an arms race where fraud communities are sharing new technology, approaches to carding and first-party fraud. They're even using cracked large language models to write code and accelerate their attacks. On the other side, we have good consumers. We have good consumers who are being wrongly flagged as fraud by outdated rules-based systems. And once that false decline happens, it not only hurts your revenue, but it hurts the customer lifetime value of that insulted customer. We also have good consumers that are experiencing excessive blanket levels of friction that cause them to abandon shopping carts and also is resulting in lost revenue. So what are we going to do about it? Well, the answer is combining the power of artificial intelligence with intelligent routing to ensure every order gets just the right checkout flow for its circumstances. So join Prada and Riskified at MP Berlin 2025 for a workshop on March 19th. We're going to be talking about optimizing conversion and outsmarting risk. We'll see you there.